Hello everyone! Welcome to another cooking tutorial from Cupid's Cooking. And today I'm going to share with you my simple recipe of Indian chicken curry without sauteing your ingredients. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest update on our exciting videos. So let's prepare our ingredients. We need 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Remove the seeds and cut into dice. 1 big potatoes cut into big chunks. 1 inch of thinly sliced ginger. 2 medium onions cut into small dice. 4 cloves of roughly chopped garlic. 750 grams of chicken. You may use either drumstick, whole legs, or thighs. Wash the chicken, remove the skin, and cut into 2 3-inch pieces. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, curry leaves, 1 cup of coconut cream, salt, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 3 tablespoons of coconut powder, and handful of coriander leaves. Let me tell you guys, the secret to this recipe is by slowly cooking your chicken. So let's start cooking. In a pan, combine the chicken, ginger, garlic, onions, curry leaves, turmeric powder, coriander powder, chili powder, salt, and coconut oil. Stir to combine. Set the heat over medium. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes. Add the tomatoes, cover again, and simmer for another 15 minutes before adding the potatoes and coconut cream. This time, we have to simmer the chicken for 30 minutes. Sprinkle the coconut powder, garam masala powder, and coriander leaves. Simmer until sauce thickens. This recipe is best served with rice or flatbreads. So there you have it. It's time to eat. Enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.